Max, are you looking for the baby? He's in there, Max. Oh, did you hear Virgil? My goodness.
Is Virgil hissing like that?
Yeah, I think.
God.
I think it was. I'm not sure. I don't think Max would do that.
It's gonna be a tough start.
Oh, no, it's Max. That was Max.
Why is Max hissing at Virgil?
Because Virgil stuck his paw into the door. Max, don't hiss at Virgil. Max, that's not nice.
Why is Max hissing at Virgil?
I don't know. Max, why are you hissing at the baby? Why are you hissing at the little baby? Huh? Don't hiss at the little baby. Come here. Max. Come here, Max. You don't want to hiss at the baby. Max. Yeah.